Doon na siya sa bahay.
Kain na.
Nakakain na raw siya.
Minululu.
Mainit na mainit. Papasak na papasak.
Yes, ganun ano. Yung cup na ganito.
Try again! Ano cup?
Yung cup na pang coffee.
Yes, ano po?
Anong taste ng pansit mo? Huwag mo tatakpan
Ano mo mag-spoon?
Huwag mo tatakpan yung ano niya. Tinatakpan mo eh.
Thank you.
Tinatakpan mo eh. Tinatakpan mo na.
Okay. Hindi na, hindi na.
Side lang.
Ang sorry ba?
Bigay mo kay Papa. Si Papa magaling.
Kumix eh.
Ay,
Mga atakin yan.
sinisira mo naman yung recording eh.
Hi, Mama.
Like this.
Hi, Mama. May kakain lang ako.
O, tingnan mo.
Hello, I am Alfonso. My real name is Alfonso Di Rubio. Bye.
Eh, bakit ako guys? Hindi ko na
Pwede ba i-record that?
Layo ka ng konti.
Kakain nga lang muna ako kasi kung
Ano? Oh, mag-talk ka na.
Naka-record mo dyan?
Yes.
Hello, I'm Alfonso Di Rubio. My real name is Alfonso Di Rubio Jumampo.
Yeah. Baliktad.
Lumang po video.
Anong na-learn mong Chinese today? Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko remember eh.
Pero marunong ka lang mag-write ng Chinese characters?
Yes.
sabi ko marami handa.
This is of the
That's the ice cream and the cake and the pancit and
This is the pancit.
and
this.
and the chocolate.
And this.
It's also the birthday of Daddy.
Hello. Ayoko.
Oh, Papa, it's yours.
Strawberry. Mmm.
And this is the food of the birthday baby. This is ice cream. And this is ice cream.
Yan yung mukha niya.
And this is the pancit. And today is
Okay na pala tayo mag-punch.
the birthday of the year of the dragon. Dapat mag-ignore yung way. Okay, ito. Forget to sa daddy. Parang sa blue snake.
Parang zombie.
That is the sound of the snake.
Okay.
And and hey boy, and daddy cannot roar because it's very very old. Parang gusto mo.
Put the head to daddy.
Who's Botahead?
Daddy.
What's the meaning of put the head?
The bota means kalbo. And Pamika means goodbye.
What is the Chinese in 1, 2, 3?
Oh, pangit ka.
Oh, Chinese is Chinang sa si golak si pwe kao chap.
Huh?
How about in Singapore? 1, 2, 3.
I'm so sweet.
What is the... What is it? Alam mo, grabe yan. Siya nga lang ang kumain ng ice cream niya, hindi niya pa.
Maraming water, ha?
And this is the match. That's
Lighter.
very dangerous.
Okay. Ano sinasabi?
This is the toy.
This is lighter, dangerous, holding to Alfonso.
Yes.
Dito, dito.
O, stop ko na muna.